Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today's video is super exciting for me because today we are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Premium Mystery Box. Now I have never had a mystery box before, so I am pretty excited to jump into this with you guys. So let's just get right into it. Okay guys, real quick, if you are new to my channel, welcome. It's so nice to have you here. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, I encourage you to. I put out pretty consistent beauty videos, as in makeup and skincare related content. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody Jay Artistry. So I would love to have you guys join the JAYBABY family. Now real quick, I do want to say that if my voice sounds a little bit off to some of you who have watched my previous videos, that's because I'm actually currently getting over being really sick, and I am now sitting here at 3 a.m. filming this video now that I feel like I have enough strength. But that's besides the point. Now, like I said, this is my very first ever Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. Now, like 95% of you, I was not able to get the box that I wanted because when I went on the website and clicked the drop down arrow and the tier button, it would not let me choose anything other than premium. It wouldn't give me any options at all. I went onto my desktop mode, nothing. Went onto my computer, nothing. So I know that's an issue that pretty much all of us had. So unfortunately, I didn't get the deluxe box like I wanted, but I did get the premium box, obviously. Now, I did not watch any unboxing videos on any of these mystery boxes. I haven't seen any pictures. I have no idea what's in any of these whatsoever. Now, again, this is my first time opening one of these, so I have no idea what kind of products are even in here. Obviously makeup, but I know that some people, I guess, get like merchandise or clothing or whatever. All I want inside this box is a freaking mirror. That's all I want. I have my blue one, but I want a new one. With that rhyme. Now, with that being said, like you saw in the title, I am doing a giveaway with whatever's in this box for the most part. If there is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics mirror, you don't get it. You get everything else. So unless there's something else that's like mind-blowing to me that I have to have, y'all are gonna get all of this. But I am also doing a second little giveaway of my own. It's gonna be my own little mystery box kind of bundle. So I'm just gonna put it in a nice little padded envelope and send it out to one of y'all lucky winners. Now, what do you have to do to enter, you may be asking? All you have to do is one of three things. You can either leave me a comment on this video, which is the easiest, and you can like this video if you want to like this video. But also, you can retweet this video link when I post it onto Twitter, and you can share this on your Instagram stories and tag me at Cody Jay Artistry. So, each one of those things will give you an entry. I will add all of your names times all of your entries into a random generator, and I will click the two winners, and each one of you will win either a mystery box or my own little mystery box bundle. So, get on it. Now let's get into this box finally. I did just cut it open with my scissors. So let's rip it open and see what's inside. Okay, it looks like this. I don't even remember how many items are supposed to be in here. And also Jeffree said, oh, okay, sorry, I just saw something. Jeffree did say there's gonna be like this huge surprise for the premium boxes, so I don't know what that could be. So don't kill me if I'm not like super excited over whatever that is. You get it? Yeah, you get it. So foil. Okay, first up we have the gloss. This is in the shade Succulent. Now I am gonna open these boxes a little bit just so I can get a better look at things, but then I'm just gonna put them right back in. I'm not gonna swatch them or anything like that because that's gross if I'm gonna send it to some of y'all. So let's drink it. Oh my gosh, come out. Really? Oh my god. I'm trying to take this out with like tact. Good lord. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Can I just take the top off? Y'all can see it on camera. I'm only taking the top off. I'm not trying it. Ooh, beautiful. That's really pretty. Not my color in any way, but that's beautiful. So I'm just gonna put her right back in the package and close her up and put her aside for one of y'all. Okay, I just like ripped the little thing off, so like whichever one of y'all wins this, like know that that's why. Sorry, I could not put it back the way I found it, but brand new. So then next we have this foil, whatever, packing. So then we have a pop socket, looks like that. Okay. Then we have this little beanie. It says Jeffree Star on it, of course, the little Valentine's Day thing, little emblem. And then we have the Alien palette, which I'm going to take out real quick. Now this is exciting to me because it's obviously pretty much sold out everywhere and it's being discontinued, as you should know. So one of y'all lucky winners is going to get this brand new Alien eyeshadow palette. I know this is something that a lot of people want to get their hands on. So like I said, I already have one of my own, so there's that. Now, I thought there was supposed to be more than 4 items in this. Is there supposed to be 4? or 5. I thought it was supposed to be 5, but I could be wrong. But there's 4, and I don't know what the super exciting thing was. If Jeffree meant the alien palette as like the huge, crazy surprise for the premium box receivers, that's not exciting to me because like most people do have this palette and it's not like new. So I don't know how that could be the exciting thing. A pop socket is not exciting. The gloss is not an exciting extra, and this little hat is kind of like cool. So I'm actually pretty surprised that there wasn't a velour liquid lip or a lip scrub. I really wanted to try a lip scrub. I never have gotten to try any of the JSC lip scrubs, so I'm kind of disappointed in that. I'm disappointed there wasn't a mirror because that's all I wanted was a mirror. But I don't know, like there's so much hype all the time about all these types of like mystery boxes or like surprise launches, like all that kind of stuff, and especially the JSC mystery boxes. There's all this hype. Like I was so stressed out that morning trying to get this box or try to get a box, didn't get the one I wanted. I probably would have gotten the items that I wanted had I been able to get the deluxe box, like I made sure that I stayed up all night for, but I didn't. I'm not aggravated or anything like that at all. But I don't know. Like if I'm not keeping any of these items because like I said, I'm going to do a giveaway with them and just give one of y'all these things. But I'm disappointed because I'm not excited at all. Like I was all stressed all week because I wanted to get this film and get it uploaded as fast as possible. And it's like, I'm bummed now. Like this whole makeup look for like 2 hours. And I'm like, wow, 4 items. Like, I don't know. I mean, don't get me wrong. Don't get it twisted. I understand the point of a mystery box is to be surprised. Like you don't know what's going to be in it. But I don't know. A pop socket is boring. A hat that probably doesn't even fit most people is boring. The gloss, like cool because it's like a newer product. And then like, yeah, the only thing I would say is exciting is the alien palette only because it's being discontinued and most people, you know, are sold out. Like everyone's sold out. So like, this would be cool if you're someone who doesn't already have this, but other than that, it's not exciting. So like for me personally, none of this is exciting because I already have the palette, and the other 3 items are kind of like, whatever. But I guess, again, if you're somebody who doesn't have any of this stuff, or you don't have any JSC products or merchandise and you want some, this would be exciting for you, but I'm bummed, I really am. So I guess all this stress of me trying to get this box as quickly as possible and throwing this video together is kind of like wasted, but I don't know. At the end of the day, I'm happy that I can gift all of this to one of you guys. Like I said, I'm going to be sending out this palette, the hat, the pop socket, and the gloss to one lucky subscriber of mine. So I guess it doesn't have to be a subscriber, but like maybe you should want to subscribe to me because I'm pretty awesome, to be honest. So again, if you want to find me on any of my social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody Jay Artistry. And you can subscribe to my channel if you would like, and I recommend it. But in addition to this premium box giveaway, I'm also doing a second separate giveaway, like I said, all at the same time though. This little mystery bundle box thing is going to be sent out to a second individual, and this will all be happening at the same time. So again, all you have to do to enter my giveaways is do at least one of 3 things, but you can do all 3 for more entries. You can comment on this video, you can retweet this video link when I post it onto Twitter, or you can share this on your Instagram stories and tag me. Again, all of my social media is at Cody Jay Artistry. That includes Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So those are my thoughts on the premium mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics for this 2020 Valentine's Day holiday season thing. So let's jump into today's MUA shoutout. Check this. Today's MUA shoutout goes to the super beautiful Christy. I will link all of her information in the description box below, so you'll definitely want to go check her out and show her some love and support. If you'd like to be in my next video's MUA shoutout, all you have to do is of course be subscribed to my YouTube channel and retweet this video link when I post it onto Twitter. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody Jay Artistry. And if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give a big thumbs up down below. Click the big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Click the bell icon so you can turn on my YouTube video post notifications. And I will see you guys in the next one.